Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a full WolfPak unboxing haul. So if you guys don't know, I work with WolfPak. I have so many of their gym bags. I have two of them right here with me. This is my main gym bag, the pink leopard, I think it's called. And this bag, just white and turquoise. I use that one for my computer, my work stuff, and things like that. And then I even have another one. But these are all my new stuff, and I'm so excited to share with you guys and unbox it. And yeah, so let's get right into it. I'm going to start with the apparel that I got from them. They don't just sell backpacks, by the way, or bags. They sell apparel, water bottles, the cool patches that you can put on your bags. They sell a bunch of those. Yeah, so this is called the Apocalypse End of the World graphic tee. And I personally got a size medium because I want to wear this as a pump cover at the gym. But I can already tell it's really great material. It's really great quality. It's thick. And then the back just has this WolfPak symbol on it. So it's super cool. I literally can't wait to wear this for my next leg day. Aside from their basic stock that they always have, they do launches of different themes. So that Apocalypse t-shirt was part of their Apocalypse launch, I believe. So they came out with a bunch of bags, backpacks, apparel, stuff like that were all in the similar theme, which is kind of cool. Next, I'm very excited about this one. I got this sweat set. If you know me, I live in sweat sets, especially in the winter. I also head to the gym very early in the morning, so typically if I'm wearing shorts to the gym, if it's a leg day, I'm wearing shorts. But when I head to the gym at like 5 a.m. and it's still cold out here in the summer, I love to put on a matching sweat set. So these are the Gothic black cuffed sweats, and I got a size small. So they're pretty oversized to begin with, so I got my usual size, a size small. That's what they look like. So on the front we have this cool WolfPak logo in the Gothic script. And then on the back here it says, "Never average, always a wolf," which is their main slogan. And these are really thick, so I'm really happy about this. They're nice and soft on the inside. They have a drawstring waistband here so I can make it nice and tight, which I love. And then they have cuff bottoms. And then I got the matching hoodie to go with that. So this is the Gothic black hoodie. I also got my usual size. It's designed to be oversized, so I got a size small. This is the front. Again, it has that really cool script. That's short for WolfPak, WFPK, WolfPak. It doesn't have a drawstring here. And then on the back shoulder to match the sweatpants, it says "Never average, always a wolf." Super cute, really cool. And this is super thick. Personally, when I buy hoodies and stuff, I want it to be nice and thick. I hate when you buy a hoodie and it's like cheap and thin on the inside. I want to wear sweats or a hoodie. I want it to be warm because personally I'm always cold. So I love a thick, good quality sweat set, and I'm so excited to wear this ASAP. And then I got two pairs of crew socks. These ones are the Arctic White crew socks. These ones are the Arctic White script socks. So it says WolfPak on it. And then these ones, just the WolfPak logo. So these are definitely two staple pieces. Personally, for my sneakers, I wear Nike Metcons. They're white, so I only wear white socks with them. Obviously, I feel like that's a normal thing, but these are definitely going to be staples. Again, such good quality. I hate when you buy anything and it's like thin, and you know, like after you wash it a couple times, they're gonna be done. These are super thick, good quality. They remind me of Nikes. Very similar to just regular Nike crew socks, but they say WolfPak and they have a cute little logo. So excited to wear these for my next leg day. And then I got a couple different shakers. So I love WolfPak shakers. I already have one. It's actually right here. And these are their insulated metal shakers. So this one's actually my coffee mug. I make coffee at the gym every morning. If you guys don't know, I'm an in-person personal trainer. So every morning I make coffee at the gym. I like to wait a little while after I wake up, just because I don't like having coffee at like 4 in the morning as soon as I roll out of bed. I like to wait a little while, get myself adjusted, do a couple client sessions, and then make some coffee. So this is my coffee one, and then I wanted some new ones for pre-workout or water or anything like that, because I feel like, you know, unless you run this through the dishwasher every single day, I feel like it's just always gonna smell like coffee a little bit, and so I don't want to mix like a watermelon pre-workout with my kind of coffee smelling shaker. So I got 2 new ones for their specific purposes. So the first one, which I'm super excited about, is this hot pink one. I think it's just called the pink shaker. Yeah, it's literally just called the pink shaker. If you go to their shakers tab on their website, these are all in there. So it's actually insulated metal, if you can see on the inside, and it comes with a shaker. So if you want to use this for pre-workout, you can use it for pre-workout. And then it's metal on the inside, which is really nice. So it's insulated. You can use it for cold stuff and it'll stay cold. I make hot coffee in the morning and it stays hot with me for a few hours, which is really nice. And yeah, so I got the hot pink one. Comes with a little shaker ball. And then the top is perfect. One thing that I love about it, it's like super tight. So when I'm drinking my coffee or whatever, it's not going to leak out or anything. And then again, the top pops on, pops off super tight. Your stuff's not going anywhere, which I love. And then I got the exact same thing in the light pink. So this one's called the light pink shaker, same exact thing, but it's light pink. Again, insulated metal, keeps everything cold or hot for a good amount of time. I haven't decided yet, but one's just going to be for water and the other one's pre-workout. But look how freaking cute these are, you guys. So on one side it says WolfPak, the other side says never average, always a wolf. So super cute. I literally cannot wait to use these. Add these to my collection. Alright, so now for the main event. I got 2 backpacks. I've been dying for one of these mini backpacks. So the other 2 backpacks that I showed you are the 35 liter. So that's their second to largest ones. And then this one's their smallest. So I got the smallest and the largest to compare it to the other ones. So this one is their 9 liter. So this is the 9 liter backpack in Knockout Pink. So this is like their mini backpack, super small. But this is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to wear this and use this. So again, all of their backpacks come with these 2 Velcro patches that you can put on. You can buy more to put on, but all of their backpacks come with these 2. It says never average, always a wolf, and then trust your instincts, which I think is really cool. And then all of the backpacks have these 2 front compartments. So this big one, well, on the mini it's obviously a lot smaller, but you have this compartment, and all bags come with a couple freebies. You get like a cool bracelet. Fun fact, actually, WolfPak is the official bag of the UFC, I guess, as of this year. So that's cool. You get one of these little coins. This is official bag of the UFC. And then WolfPak, never average, always wolf. And you get a sticker too, so each of the bags come with those just cute little freebies thrown in there, which we always love, and an extra zipper in case the zippers fall off. But I've had my bags for like 2 years now, some of them, and zippers always great. So it's super tough when you get a bag and like the zipper breaks, but these zippers are like double, I forget what they're called, I'll put it on the screen probably, but they're super enforced zippers, so they're not going anywhere. And then you have the main compartment here, which you can probably fit like an iPad mini in, I would say. I don't think I can fit my full iPad. Let's check. So as a comparison, this is my iPad. This is the new this is my new 9-liter backpack. And my iPad definitely fits in. Does not fit into this slit here. So as a reference, it does fit my iPad. You toss it in there, zip it up, perfect. I have the newest iPad Air. I don't even know which one, but I bought it last summer, so whatever the newest iPad is, that's it, the iPad Air, I think. So my iPad Air fits in this, which is great. I'm probably gonna use this as my new like work bag. It does not fit my MacBook Pro, so I have the larger version. I think it's like 15 inches, the MacBook Pro, and it does not fit in here, so I'd have to use a different bag for that. But it does fit a normal iPad and definitely an iPad mini as well. But super cute if you want this as like an airport bag or an accessory. Super cute, and I love it. This is the 45L backpack in the Arctic gray color, so it's gray and red, which is cool. I actually got this from my boyfriend as a gift, so I hope he doesn't watch this until after I give it to him. This is the biggest one, and then I got myself the smallest one. Super cute. Here's a little comparison. And personally, for my everyday bag, I do not like the bag this big. I think the 35L is perfect for all my gym stuff, workout stuff, and everything like that. But for him, I got him the largest one just because A, I wanted to see what it looked like, and B, because he obviously has more stuff and he's bigger. And he tried on my backpack one time, the pink like leopard print one, and it just looked so small on him, so I got him the larger one. And so the only bag that I have not tried from them yet is their meal prep bag. So they make the same models, but instead of like the basic you know, you open it up here and you can throw your stuff in, they make actual meal prep container compartments, which is really cool, and I believe they must be insulated as well. So I haven't tried those yet, but next haul I'll definitely get one of those to show you guys. So again, we have our front compartment, the smaller top compartment with all of our freebies, we have the middle compartment in this one. Yeah, so both the 35L and the 45L have the two main compartments. This is the largest compartment. You can definitely fit your MacBook, your iPad, a whole bunch of stuff in here. It's huge, but 45L is absolutely massive. If you have a lot of stuff to bring to the gym, or you're going from work to the gym, personally the 35L works for me, but this is like huge. Like there's so much space in here. I feel like I could fit in here. I'm not even kidding. But huge. And then on top of that, I got a few of their patches. So some are for me, some are for my boyfriend. But I'll show them to you guys. So this is my boyfriend's bag, all decorated. I really like how you can customize them, and one awesome thing about these bags, I've done this so many times now, if they get dirty, especially the white bags that I have, I literally just take off all of the Velcro patches and throw them in the washing machine, dry them in the washing machine, or air dry them. So I'll either dry them on low or just let them air dry if it's really nice out, and they come out clean and they won't get damaged or anything. So I literally toss these into the washer, which is like my favorite part. But this is my boyfriend's bag. Then I also got myself one, so I was an EMT for a couple of years. I don't do it much anymore, but I thought I'd get myself an EMT patch. I feel like it would look cute on this one. So to close off this video, you can use code SydLerz for 10% off your purchase, which also supports me and my work with the brand. And yeah, I purchased my own bags and stuff from this brand long before I started working with them, actually. And I genuinely love their stuff, and I would buy from them even if I wasn't working with them. It's such good quality, from their clothes to their backpacks. This is like my ride or die gym bag company. It literally fits everything that you can need, customizable, which is really cool. You can throw them right in the washer. They are the most durable gym bags I have ever had. And even their clothing quality, unmatched. So I love it. And yeah, comment below if you guys have any questions, and let me know which pieces you guys are going to shop for. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.